families. My name is Teacher Eve. I'm with Bloomington Early Learning Services, and I'm talking with you today about math and how you can use it every day with your kids. So first of all, I want to encourage you because I bet you are already doing this. So keep it up. Help your kids understand that math can be fun, it can be easy for them, and it can be really useful. So the more you talk about it, the better they'll pick that up. At home, you're probably already doing this quite a bit, but math can be discussed while you're cooking, maybe when you're measuring things, maybe you need to set the timer for the pasta to cook for a certain number of minutes. That includes time, which is a math concept. You can talk with your kids about how many people are having dinner tonight, and if you have 2 plates out, but you have 4 people eating dinner, how many more plates do you need? In the bath, there's a lot of chance to talk about things like full and empty. Maybe you're filling little containers with water and pouring them from one to another. That's about volume. When you're doing laundry, you can sort by color, or you could count how many pairs of socks there are, or talk about size. Someone's pants are shorter, someone's are longer. That's all about measurement. So that's all math. Out of the house, there are lots of other opportunities too. So maybe while you're driving and you see speed limits, you could talk about those numbers. When you see how much gas prices are, when you drive by a gas station, you could talk about that. In the store, of course, grocery stores have so many chances for you and your child to connect about math. And so you can help them see the prices of different things. Maybe you wouldn't normally weigh your fruit before you buy it, but on occasion you could put the apples on the scale and let the child see how heavy they are. Talk about weight. Again, you can talk about different colors of things, how things are sorted. They're the same or different when you see everything lined up, the fruits and vegetables, for example. And then on the way home, maybe you have the receipt and normally you'd throw it out, but you could let your child look at it and see the different numbers. Maybe it talks about how many items you bought, and you can show them those different parts of the receipt so they can know what's on there and how math is really incorporated into so many parts of their day. And then finally, with spring coming, when you're out on walks, you can talk about shapes that you see. That's a math concept. You could measure things. If you have a ruler at home, or the next time you're at the dollar store, maybe grab an inexpensive ruler and talk about how things are growing. And it's so exciting that the plants used to be just 1 inch and now they're 2 inches long or 3 inches long. You can measure lots of stuff and the kids will get into that. Or you could count things. How many dogs did you see today? How many did you see yesterday? Is that more or less? So as you can tell, I could go on and on probably, but there are lots of ways to include math in your everyday life. If you have other ideas or if you have questions, feel free to get in touch with someone from our team at the link below. And thanks for being here. Take care.